like. Okay.
Nope. Prove it then.
Nope. Nope.
I'll admit I'm wrong when I see the bottle, because all I do is see the bottle, I'll say, yep. He was telling me that he started out with Jetty, and that they were the worst company. Where's the bottle, dude?
Right there. What? That was designed to fall, man.
I was just so much better off with
Okay, our food's here. Do you want me to do what I normally have to do? I've been ordering from here 3 days in a row. It says fucking salmon that I get. And I bring it here, and I put it back in the thing. And I add walnuts and honey. Yeah, let me do it. I'll be right back.
Fuck yeah. Where's my computer at?
What do you mean?
Huh?
Did you give it to Ro today?
When the guys were counting, no I didn't. When the guys were, is that it? When I gave it to you, when the guys were counting the money, right? One of the guys, he was doing my drawer.
Did you get
Go
it?
ahead.
The food? She has some. Okay, it's in the pool area. Baby, where did you put the sandpaper? Would you have to do it ever by chance?
What paper?
Sandpaper.
Sandpaper?
Uh-huh.
In the tool area?
Sand sheets. They're like sheets. Wait, Jojo. Hold on.
They're there. I'll go check, hold on.
Why not? Here's your keyboard. Get a new keyboard. It's okay. It's Christmas. Oh, it's a fish. I love you.
You're so
I
good.
forgot what I was doing. Huh? Huh?
You know why I'm doing it?
What?
Because the light barely shows, so I want it to show fully.
That is the garage. That's not trash.
Can you just swipe that picture, please? Please?
Lulu. Lulu. Did you put it in the bathroom? You might put it in the bathroom. She set the bathroom up for like the painting and all that shit. I think it's in there. What's going on, buddy? Hey, Lois, what are you guys up to, man?
Rowan is recording because because this is what your window does.
Watch
the
this.
curtain does.
Oh yeah? Watch this. Watch this.
Oh shoot, what was that?
I don't know, but check it out. If you want some good footage.
Oh.
Oh god, it's gonna fly at any minute.
I'm going to. I don't think that was important.
Nah, it was just a bottle. Don't worry, I'll pick it up.
Oh.
That was my fault.
Oh. Oh. Oh, it's picking up. Oh my. Dad.
Tell him to film it.
He is filming. He's been filming this whole time.
Where is he? Oh,
Downstairs.
he's not getting
Should I
this
stop
though.
recording?
He ain't getting this though.
I'll keep it when it still calms down.
Yeah.
After it calms down, I'll turn it off and you can
Okay.
He's been recording for like 5 minutes now. Up. Oh. Oh, look at this! Zoom, I'm flying through the air like a super. Should I record?
Yeah.
Oh my. It calmed down, so